Lesson 4. Phonic sound of I. Read aloud. Kite, dice, igloo, 6, wig, bin, king, hill. Read and learn. ITE, ite. B plus ITE, bite. S plus ITE, sight. C plus ITE, sight. K plus ITE, kite. Read. Dinesh has a kite. IDE, eyed. W plus IDE, wide. S plus IDE, side. SL plus IDE, slide. BR plus IDE, bride. R plus IDE, ride. H plus IDE, hide. Read. Ria and Tia are having a bicycle ride. ILE, aisle. T plus ILE, tile. P plus ILE, pile. SM plus ILE, smile. B plus ILE, bile. Read. Ritu has a file and Monu has smile. IME, I'm. CR plus IME, crime. T plus IME, time. PR plus IME, prime. L plus IME, lime. Read. Meera has less time than Sneha. ING, ing. BR plus ING, bring. LY plus ING, lying. TH plus ING, thing. R plus ING, ring. Read. He is a king. He has a ring. ISH, ish. W plus ISH, wish. D plus ISH, dish. F plus ISH, fish. RAD plus ISH, radish. ILL, ill. ST plus ILL, still. B plus ILL, bill. F plus ILL, fill. H plus ILL, hill. Read the words aloud and learn. ID, id. Hid, bid, did, kid, lid. In, sin, bin, fin, tin, pin. IP, ip, lip, tip, sip, dip, hip. IT, it, kit, bit, fit, hit, sit. IG, ig, big, wig, mig, fig, dig. Say aloud. Rice, spice, nice, lice, dice. Dish, kiss, fish, miss, bliss. Icon, idle, iPod, Ice cream, ink pot. Reading more. Sid is a kid. He has a tin. Sid is by a bin. This bin has a lid. I can fly a kite. I love to sit under a tree. A kite flying near the hill. It is big, red, yellow, and green kite.